There is no one who wants to make that money back for you more than I do.
Do that right away.
When's the last time you closed something, huh? You couldn't close a fucking window, you moron!
What the fuck is this? Huh? What is this? You think I'm gonna sign a cell ticket for you? What did I just say? Huh? Get him back on the phone and explain the situation to him right now. Get on the phone! No one is gonna unload today, you hear me? No one! Mutt.
Seth, got a Harry Bernard on the phone?
Yeah, put him through.
Hi, Harry.